Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I want to say hello to all of you. Now that we've taken care of that one issue, let's get into Bitcoin, which is presently trading at $57,432 and is up 6%. We'll speak about generational wealth and crypto and how it will alter so many lives. Over the last day, Ethereum's price has fluctuated between 30.79 and 1.52% USDT and USDC, with both currencies trading at their dollar pegs, while XRP has gained 43 cents. It stinks, I know. It's terrible. I am unable to even gaze upon it. Hawk, you know you have to hand it over to us. I mean, come on. Holy cow. I'm going to keep this going until the cryptocurrency market cap reaches $2,131 billion. I'm not going anywhere. Pay attention. Currently, the markets are at their peak. Every time someone complains about the market, I urge them to just get up, turn off their computers, and go outside. In a few months, the market will have changed drastically, and we'll laugh about the drop. I'll tell you what, after 7 years in this industry, I know exactly what's going to happen. The markets will boom, explode, and everyone will look back and laugh. Rip warned us on July 9th that we'll look back and laugh. If only I had purchased more. That's their speciality. So, I make sure to buy every week and use dollar cost average. What matters to me is not the price. I make sure to buy every week so that when the bull run ends and I calculate my dollar cost average, I'll have a lovely, even priced token that has just done 5 to 10 times its initial investment. Then I can relax and enjoy as an example, I've been quite reserved with Best Buy. Put simply, I've been purchasing peace and quiet. After 3, 4, or 5 months, I'm at an average expenditure of $100, not including the time spent on my DCS. Even though most cryptocurrencies are currently down, you can bet that I will be visiting your 4 or 5 down sucks. This morning, I showed it to you. This prickly some say the Germans are selling their Bitcoin holdings, while others say that US Bitcoin ETFs like BlackRock should reduce their commitment to the cryptocurrency. Trustworthiness is Bitwise. Franklin tapped Van Eck, and the list continues on. They're acquiring everything. They are purchasing everything. Despite sales in Germany and the reimbursement from Mt. Gox, the report claims that bullish Bitcoin drivers are still in play. Once the supply overhang associated with Bitcoin evaporates, the outlook is bright due to the persistence of macro fundamentals and the risk-on nature of traditional markets. Bitcoin is king in Germany, where it is outsold by both sales and refunds from Mt. Gox. It could appear that the crypto market is experiencing rough times, with Germany's Bitcoin sales and concerns over mass liquidation by the exchange. However, major economies, expansionary periods, decreasing inflation, and peak tech euphoria on Wall Street all point to a favorable prognosis. Bitcoin's market value has fallen more than 17% to 57,204 weeks, leading to a path and meme coins digital assets reportedly associated with artificial intelligence and other hazardous areas of the cryptocurrency market. Despite these concerns, creditors of Mt. Gox still see a bright future for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But looking at the larger picture, there is still positive sentiment, which means that there is one supply overhang from Germany and Mt. Gox. The market might stage a brutal rebound if creditors run dry. And that is just what is on the horizon, along with a remarkable turnaround. Furthermore, when this remarkable turnaround ends, there will be a windfall for future generations. Solana XRP, there is a good reason why I spend a lot of time on this channel discussing Solana. A Solana ETF is being planned by the EC21 chairs. In June, they turned in the ones. You can find it on the CBOE exchange. People like grip, but this item is already pumped, according to the file run Solana, which is roughly how much money went into it. Has it passed the point of no return? You still have time. Well, Lana's got a 10x in there. Perhaps much greater. I mean, there are 140 bars in the Solana song from 15 to 2000. I can already tell what many of you are thinking. But rip if I invest 100. If I invest $141 in Solana, I will only get 1 token. If I invest the same amount in XRP, I will get 4 tokens. Approximately 300 tokens will be mine, you know. The number of tokens you possess is irrelevant. What matters is the expected rate of return on these assets. Your 300 XRP is available to you. However, if the price of XRP stays at $1, your 300 tokens won't go very far. However, if the cost of Solana reaches, say, 20, pay heed, folks, the Solana price hike is 6%. Your 1 token will get you a 3-fold increase, which is better than a 2-fold increase in my book. Solana has been fluctuating between 135 and 141 and 142 as per the CBOE file, and I'm not sure if it will move down or not. At first, I was planning to load up anything below 100. Alana maintained a very reasonable 120-degree angle while we witnessed a Bitcoin decrease. I don't think Solana will break under 120 if we experience another sell-off in Bitcoin from the Germans and the markets drop. What will happen here is something we don't know about. If this happens, you can listen to the first video today. Truly, I am not. Actually, I'm a buyer. I really should have a lot more of what I've been purchasing. It would be great if I had more quants, too. XRP gets a ton, but a lot of these cryptocurrencies are more like inheritances. Meme coins aren't for me for a reason. From the dojo to chips to cat whips, they are some reasons why I keep away. Instead of investing in a pump and dump token, I'd like to put my money into something that will actually be useful and that institutions will be interested in. If you can get into a cryptocurrency before major institutions do, before these exchange-traded funds (ETFs) appear, you have a good chance of making a killing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to make you 10 times your initial investment if it stays at $17,000. Nowhere else will you make 10 times as much money, guys. If you were to enter Ethereum, I would have looked at a theory when it was in the triple digits, but I was too blind to act on it. Now that you've seen its current state, you should investigate its origins. Ethereum token. When I was planning to cut back on buying Pinko Daniels for a penny, it ballooned to more than $3. There is a great deal of potential profit in these significant assets, profits that will accrue to you and your descendants for generations. However, we must adhere to the strategy, which involves calculating the cost of goods sold. Keep your emotions in check by sitting on your hands. Sell your assets when the bull run is coming to an end and you observe parabolic blow-off tops. Don't sit on them because you don't think the price went as high as you want it to. Identify your places of departure. You cash out, wait on your hands, and watch as the stables recoup your profit. That's how every Bitcoin bull run ends, right? Get out of here and do something nice, pay off the mortgage, the car loans, take a vacation, wait for the markets to bottom out, then get back in, etc. That's the way it functions. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I'll see you later.